What is up, humans? We got the bronze video playing in the background. We got this New Balance box right here. It's got some bronze 56K New Barrick 480s. Did I say that right? I definitely fumbled and mumbled on the bronze 56K times New Balance numeric 480 and black. Look, it's made for skating right there. It says it on the box, so it must be true. Bronze is a hardware, or Bronze 56K is a hardware company out of New York. They've been doing a lot of cool collabs for years and years and years. I know you guys have seen it before. I think this is their first New Balance collab. So let's just go ahead and pop this open really quickly. Here you go, guys. This is it. These things are 120 bucks and they release tonight at midnight. But they just came in. They honestly just came in, and I was not feeling super well, so I wasn't going to come into work today, but I came in for this. There you go. So bronze 56K hardware for the masses on the tongue, really big right there. So that looks awesome. And it's got this cool like translucent toe box on there. A little bit of translucent on the heel as well. And then you've got this super nice like kind of geometric shape in, kind of domed, looks pretty cool. It's like a rubber material. And then you got your New Balance and bronze embroidery on the back. Your outsole is this kind of smoky, translucent outsole, like kind of a gray smoke color. And then you got your fuel cell peeking through the bottom right there, which is just that midsole that kind of absorbs all the shock from skateboarding. Here's your inside panels, again with that rubber in on the side. Bronze eyelets at the top on both sides. And also, check out how cool these aglets are. Just like bronze aglets. Just elevates it just a little bit. So yeah, guys, that is it. This is your bronze 56K 480 by New Balance. Super nice materials there. You can see that kind of pebble leather on all the panels, toe box, quarter panels, heel, etc. And then you've got this translucent vibe throughout. So looks pretty awesome. 120 bucks. Fits pretty true to size. I wear a lot of 480s. I'm actually wearing a different 480 right now. I think it fits pretty true to size. I like it a little bit better because it's got a wider toe box. So if you're looking for wider shoes, you know, to some degree, the 480 is a little bit wider, maybe a little bit wider than a Dunk. Yeah, so if that's what you're looking for, these just feel really nice on foot. So true to size, 120 bucks, releasing tonight at midnight. I think that's everything, guys. I'm going to wrap this up. This was a quick one. Fuel cell midsole, all that good stuff. Bronze on the insole as well. I think that's it. We're going to wrap this one up. We'll see you guys in the next one. All the best. Love Blue Tile. And goodbye. Goodbye. There you go.